Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Cooking Cuisine. I'm Shikha Shah. Today I'll be showing you how to make a healthy wrap at home out of sprouts and pulses. Take a look at the recipe. For making this, we'll need 1 cup of sprouted matki or mud, 1 cup of sprouted moong or known as green gram. Whistle this both together in the pressure cooker. Half a cup of black chickpeas or known as black chana and half a cup of green peas. Whistle this both separately one by other in the cooker. The sprouts are ready. It took 2 to 3 whistles to get this ready. Now I'm going to chop this. So I'm adding this in the chopper. Make sure that there is no water while chopping this. So drain the water. And then chop this. After chopping, this is how the texture will look. Like this. All the pulses, chop this evenly like this. A fine chopping. This is how chickpeas and peas look like. They are almost smashed. Now I have taken all this out in a bowl. Mix them all together. Mixture is ready and now it's time to saute this slightly in a pan. Drizzle some oil. I have used olive oil. You can use oil of your choice. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of asafoetida. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Add 2 onions finely chopped. 2 big onions I have taken. Add some salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of green chili. To golden brown, add 1 teaspoon of sugar in this, 2 teaspoons of cumin and coriander powder. Add some more salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder. Also squeeze 1 lemon during the mixing. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. It's ready. I will take it out in a bowl and let it cool. But make sure that the sugar, spice and salt are as per your taste. Usually this soaks more amount of sugar, salt and spice. So you can adjust by your flavor. Roti. Here I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour in this. Drizzle of oil, that is almost 2 teaspoons. Add some salt to taste. Prepare the dough. And my dough is ready, nice and soft. Let it rest for 10 minutes and then I will prepare half done rotis. Half done rotis are ready, so I am directly going to add on a pan. Drizzle some oil on one side and flip this around. I will add some tomato ketchup. Stuff the mixture. Like this recipe, then hit the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to my channel.